Coaches, trainers, and gym owners, are you tired of 50 to 60-hour work weeks, constantly trading your time for more money? Maybe you're struggling, searching for how to start an online coaching business, how to scale your gym, where to get more clients, but nothing you try actually fixes the problem. I've been there. My gym lost over $50,000 in 3 months. I was exhausted, burned out, completely stuck. At times, my gym was empty. One pay period, I make 4,000, the next 1,500. It's impossible to plan your life with income swings like that. Fortunately, I found a better way. I changed everything. I quit selling packages in sessions. I implemented real business systems for pricing, sales, delivery of service. This allowed me to be successful in creating predictable income every single month. That shift took my business from 60,000 a year to 250,000, eventually 30 to 35,000 a month in consistent revenue without adding more hours or chasing more clients. I teach the same framework in my Profitable Fitness Business Masterclass to help trainers, coaches, and gym owners just like you scale to 6 and 7 figures. In this free training, I'll show you how to attract the right clients, how to build recurring revenue, and work less while earning more. That's right, you can enjoy life without trading your time for more money. If you're ready to stop trading hours for dollars, finally build a business that gives you freedom instead of burnout, go watch the free training now. Click the link and get started right now.